Welcome all students. In last lectures we have to learn the basic concept related to the circle. Today we are going to learn the next concept is a tangent of circle. First we have to understand what is meant by tangent. Tangent is defined as a straight line which touches to circle in only one point. Such line is said to be tangent of circle. This is a center of circle O. To draw a circle with definite radius, in a circle with center O, to draw tangent, a straight line which are passing to circle touches in only one point. This is a line L. Line L touching to circle in only one point. Such point is said to be point of contact or currency of tangent. In a circle with center O, line L is tangent of circle. The second concept is secant of circle, म्हणजे वर्तुळाची वृत्तछेदिका. When a straight line which are intersect two distinct point of circle, such line is said to be secant of circle. अशी रेषा जी वर्तुळाच्या दोन भिन्न बिंदूंना छेदते त्या रेषेला वर्तुळाची वृत्तछेदिका म्हणतात. In a circle with center O, to draw a secant of circle. This is a line M. Line M intersect to circle at a point Q and at point R of circle. Therefore, this line M is said to be secant of circle. We write, in a circle with center O, line M is secant of circle. Difference between tangent of circle and secant of circle. Tangent of circle touches in only one point, and secant of circle intersect two distinct point of circle. This is a difference between tangent and secant of circle. Then next important part of the circle is a tangent segment. When you understand the tangent and tangent segment, then next theorem is important theorem in the chapters circle. Stop. The next concept is a tangent segment, म्हणजे स्पर्शिका खंड. In a circle with center O, to draw a circle with definite radius, first you understand the interior, exterior and on the circle part. Point A, this point A is interior of the circle and point P is the exterior point of the circle. When you learn the tangent which is passing through only one point of circle. How many tangent to draw from exterior point of circle? There are two tangent we can draw from external point of the circle these two tangents we can draw. There are two tangents drawn from the external point of circle. This tangent intersect to circle at point Q and this tangent intersect to circle at point R. Therefore, tangent PQ and tangent PR, there are two tangents we can draw from the external point. How to understand the tangent segment? Then line segment from external point to the point of contact of circle. This segment is said to be tangent segment. In figure, segment PQ is tangent segment and segment PR is the tangent segment. Therefore, in a circle with center O, segment PQ and segment PR are tangent segment. When you ask a question for multiple choice question, how many tangent segment drawn from the external point? There are two tangent we can draw from the external point. How many tangent draw from the point on the circle? Therefore, only one tangent we can draw on the point of circle. Then tangent segment are congruent to draw from the external point. Segment PQ is a congruent segment PR. This is the concept of tangent segment.